Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Walmart app keeps on opening but only shows a blank or white screen, first swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Walmart app and swipe it away, completely closing it, and then reopen it after waiting a few seconds. Then check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app operates smoothly. Then restart your device to clear temporary system glitches. After that, ensure that the Walmart app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Walmart, and update your app to the latest version in your app store. On Android devices, clearing the app's cache can help resolve loading issues. If the blank screen persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. Long press on the Walmart app icon and then uninstall the app and then go to the app store and reinstall the app. After reinstalling it, log in again and that's it. Subscribe for more quick